Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 21 Ford Bronco, and yeah, so this is from their Hot Truck series. So I do have a Ford Bronco. I think I do have a couple. We did unbox one last year, if I'm not wrong, the black one. That was absolutely gorgeous. And one I do have in premium, which I didn't unbox it. So I will be doing a premium week sometime soon. It depends upon what premiums you guys are expecting. So so far the voting actually went for my collection, and then the second highest voting went to premiums like others like Tamika and Bubravo on this one, because I personally love those brands compared to Hot Wheels. So okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. Okay. Okay, it looks a bit light. Okay, so the first impressions of this casting, it looks really nice. I'm not sure why there is a groove here. I originally thought it was a wiper. Maybe it is a wiper. Yeah, those are wiper blades, but they gave a groove here. That's new. Okay, there are no headlight details, but it says Bronco, which is embossed here. Let me, I hope. Yeah, and it has a rear view mirrors, which is really nice. So the paints of for once it looks okay. So you can see this pixelating here, but at least it doesn't look really bad like some other castings we did unbox. And okay, this tire here is plastic, so there are no tail light details either. I'm I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure why they're doing this. So the rims looks really nice, the way they painted it. See, they painted the rims somewhere, something like this neon green kind of paint. So I think they would have went, you know, the livery with the same color. It would have been really nice. Or full black like last year's car, but I think it had a red livery, if I'm not wrong. They could have went with full black with this neon green livery and then neon green rims. It would have been very nice. So okay, so the chassis is fully plastic, and body is fully metal. So let's weigh this one. So even I'm a bit curious how much this weighs, because it feels a bit lighter than it's supposed to be. It weighs only like 3.6 grams, which is actually less for this casting, if you ask me. Okay, let's do a roll test and see. I'm not sure if this will roll in the track. It doesn't roll. That's it. Okay, let me put a little bit down. No, that's it. It doesn't roll at all. Even if you push it in this mat, it is not rolling really well. Honestly, this is one of the very worst rolling car we have ever unboxed in our channel. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.